Hey, YouTubers, Swil Phist coming at you here with a tutorial on playing the didgeridoo. We've had a lot of requests out there for how to play this wonderful instrument, and I've just come back from a trip to the Down Under where I learned all sorts of wonderful techniques from the Aborigines there. The first thing we need to do when playing the didgeridoo is just relax. You know, it's a meditative process. There's a lot of meditation, centralization, focus. And we start with just the relaxation of the cheeks. Just relax. Start with the cheeks. Just make it relaxed. You can even open your mouth. Just, a little TMJ there. Just open the jaw, get that all relaxed. You can just stick out your tongue like that. Get it all nice and relaxed. Then we're just going to go for a nice smooth tone. We don't want to let any air out the sides, just keep it nice and relaxed. Yes, see that? There's a little bit of air came out the sides there. Just need to tighten it up. When that happens, just tighten it up a little bit. Just that little tightening, but just keep it relaxed. Hold on. There it is. And that's the real Aboriginal tone that you get. The second thing we need to do is get the circular breathing happening. That's how they do those long tones. And what we do is we blow out through the mouth and in through the nose. This takes quite a bit of practice, but we can do this. You take a small glass of water, fill that up, take a straw, you blow in the straw, make the bubbles. When the bubbles come up, that's when you breathe in through the nose. Hear that? Blowing out. Just like that. Very easy. Now we do it the same thing. Relax, and we're going to... I can do that all night now. Just that nice smooth tone just keeps going. I can do this all night. I can just keep that long, smooth tone. It's great. I really encourage you guys to try this at home. You could buy these anywhere. I think I got this at Guitar Center for 15 bucks. Great deal. Well, that's all I got for you, folks.